Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide apps on your iPhone. This is a great way to declutter your screen or enhance your privacy. First, find the app you wish to hide on your home screen. Press and hold its icon until a small menu pops up. Then, simply tap Remove App and choose Remove from Home Screen. The app will vanish from your main view, but don't worry, it's still on your phone. To ensure an app is truly private, you'll want to prevent it from appearing in search results. Head over to your iPhone settings, then tap on Siri and search. Scroll down until you find the app you want to hide and tap on it. Here, you can toggle off Show App in Search and Show App in App Switcher to keep it completely out of sight from Spotlight Search and recent apps. For an extra layer of security, you can utilize the Hide and Require Face ID feature. Simply long press an app icon, then tap Require Face ID from the options. Next, select Hide and Require Face ID. This action moves the app to a special hidden folder within your app library, accessible only with your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Remember, this advanced hiding option typically works for third-party apps. If you need to find or unhide an app, swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. At the very bottom, you'll see a hidden folder. Tap it and authenticate with your Face ID or passcode. To unhide an app, long press its icon within this folder and choose Don't Require Face ID. You can then drag it back to your home screen from the app library if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.